Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to email tasks to Todoist. This is a super handy feature that lets you add tasks directly from your email without having to open the app every time. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser and navigate to Todoist. Log into your account if you haven't already. This will give you access to all the features we need for setting up email integration with your tasks. Once the login process finishes, you'll be directed to Todoist's dashboard. This is your main workspace where you can view all your tasks and projects. Now, to demonstrate how this feature works, we first need to create a sample task. Look at the left side menu where you'll see several Todoist tabs and functions. Click on the Add Task button at the top. A small window will appear where you can enter your task details. For this tutorial, let's simply name it Email Task. Once you've typed that in, click Add Task to create it. This gives us something to work with as we set up the email integration feature. Now that we have a task created, let's move on to the main part of this tutorial. Within the left navigation menu, you'll see your projects listed below the main options. Click on the project where you want to send tasks via email. Once you're viewing that project, look for the three-dot icon. This is typically located near the project name and gives you access to additional project settings. Click on those three dots and a context menu will appear with various options. From the list of options that appears, look for and click on Email Tasks to this project. This is the key feature that enables you to send tasks directly to this specific project through email. When you click this option, Todoist will provide you with a unique email address specifically for this project. This email address acts as a direct gateway to add tasks without logging into Todoist. Simply copy this unique email address that appears. You'll want to save this somewhere accessible, like your email contacts or a Notes app. Whenever you want to add a task to this project, just send an email to this address. The subject line of your email will become the task name, and any content in the email body will be added as a task description. It's that simple. And there you have it. You've successfully set up email integration with Todoist, making it incredibly easy to capture tasks on the go. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.